morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. So today, what do we got going on? So I think this is going to be probably a three-part video because I got to do this this new job that we're doing in stages. What it is it's a gas furnace and AC, a 90% gas furnace and AC that we're going to convert into a heat pump. The house has solar panels on it, so the owner, who he rents the house out to like 5 people, bunch of young kids that live there, but he has solar on there, so we're converting the whole thing to electric to a heat pump. And I know some people don't like that, but I think it's fine, especially with the technology that the heat pumps have now. But yeah, this is going to be a three-parter because today I think all we can really do is go out and do tear out, maybe get the heat pump set, the new heat pump set, but I can't do much until I do my metal work, and that's basically something that I'm gonna have to pull out all the equipment first, the old stuff, and see what I need to build. So that's how we're gonna do it, and then I might have a part 2 or something showing you guys me building the fittings. But I've done quite a few videos of me building fittings, so it kind of gets boring over time. If you want to see me building fittings, build fittings, just go back and look at a few of the videos. I have lots of them. And then part 3 will be rebuilding everything and doing the actual project, putting in all the new stuff. So yeah, just feeling run down. I got pain in my back, and it's kind of shooting down the backside of my legs, and my knees are hurting lately. So I don't know, it might be time for me to hang it up as far as being in the field. I don't know. My body's really starting to break down, and I'm hoping that I can keep doing this, but we'll see. I'm kind of going to relax a little bit the rest of today after we're done. Yeah, so that's where we're at. I got some stuff for you today. Enjoy it. Alright guys, we're here on our next heat pump project. This one is a 410A system. Here's our air handler, E4AH5 E48, and then a 3.5 ton side discharge double fan 410A. It's a run true system. It's the E4HL5 042. Got my line set here. I got my quick sling stand for the heat pump. There's my air cleaner, heat strips, etc. We're gonna start doing some tear out. Let me get this foggy cover off my phone. You guys, show you this old turd that we're pulling out of here. So it's got the old April air filter here that yeah, I won't say any more about him. The old Gooman, 90%er, straight AC. Electrician already ran our circuit for the heat pump. Remember, we're converting this to all electric. It's going to take me some doing to get this supply riser here out of the way and tied in properly. Yeah, Matt's out here. He's going to get the refrigerant pump down in the air conditioner. That's just a fresh air intake, so that's no big deal, being that close to the unit. We're probably going to move ours, might actually have to move ours over to here to get it away from this stuff. It's not really code to have it in front of that stuff. So anyway, we'll continue on. I'll show you as we progress. Alright, it's going to take some doing to get this this riser tied in and everything and fit my new air handler and everything, but God, the more I look at this, the worse it gets. It's a turd for sure. And then I pulled the Honeywell filter out, and let's take a look. Yeah, that wasn't flowing any air. Almost a year ago today. Well, wait a minute. More than a year ago. We're in August now, so it's been over a year. Alright guys, I got somewhat of a clean pallet here. Got everything taken down all the way to the lid here. I gotta bend that down 1 inch so I can put a little piece of duct on attached to there. That's our return air. I'm gonna plug off our fresh air intake there. We're not gonna use that anymore. We're gonna block it off there at the wall. What else? Oh, I gotta cut this guy down probably about 7 or 8 inches. This guy doesn't tap into way down there, so we got plenty of room to do that. So I got to do all that prep work. And then as far as metal building, I have this to build. I got a little 2-inch sleeve here that'll get me below the sheetrock lid. Then I got an 8-inch transition to go to my air cleaner. There's my F100. Transition back to the air handler. And then a transition off of the existing base that I'm going to cut down. So lots to do. All right, we got some stuff consolidated here. Got the equipment inside. Organized some of the trash. There's all of our carnage, the old stuff. Yeah, we got a little bit of a ding there, but we'll be able to pull this off, and I'll take my rubber mallet and be able to bang that out. So we're not gonna. It'll take them like 3 or 4 days to get a new unit. We're not going through that. Old unit was right there. It's not going to go there anymore because we're not going to have it in front of all this crap. We'll get it just to the left of that water spigot, and we're going to go get 4 cinder blocks now so we can get that set. We can get our heat pump set today. We're going to go do that right now. All right, so didn't have any cinder blocks at this local hardware store, so I figured I'll just stop at Home Depot on my way in tomorrow. I'm going to build my sheet metal today. I'll try to get you some shots of it if there's anything interesting with me building the sheet metal. And then tomorrow we'll be putting stuff back together. But yeah, we're moving along. I got so much stuff, little loose ends I got to do. I got invoices I got to get out. I got organizing I got to do. I got to put some more jobs together. I got permits to pull. It never ends as a one-man band. It's non-stop. And you know, when my body's hurting, it makes it a lot harder because all you want to do is just plop yourself down on the couch and relax, which I probably should do for a couple days straight, but I never stop. You know, if I'm not working out in the field, I'm usually doing some yard work or tinkering with something. I got so much little things I got to do. It's out of control, but you know, that's part of being an adult and being a responsible adult. So yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got more interesting stuff coming up tomorrow. Enjoy.